Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Goodvibes by Nidhi. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. So let's start. So today I'm going to use this old ceramic plate and turn this into a beautiful art piece using Jaipuri pottery motif. So let's see how we can make it. Because this plate has some motif over it, so you need to cover it with acrylic color. Or you can use gesso. It is a primer. If you are using gesso, you need to apply 1 coat of gesso, or if you are using acrylic color, you can give it 2 coats. Gesso is a primer, so it will cover up the motif as well as it will give me a very smooth surface, matte surface to work with. So now it is completely dry. So let's move on to the coloring part. Start applying this Persian blue color all over the plate. When the first coat dries up completely, you can give it another coat of Persian blue because I don't want any patches on my plate. Make sure to cover the sides also to give it a clean look. This is the traditional Jaipuri pottery design that I have drawn on a butter paper. You can use a tracing paper to trace it on the plate, or you can draw it as it is. If you want this design motif, you can DM me on my Instagram. I will share the design with you. Place the carbon paper first, then the design. You can secure your design sheet with the tape. Now use any pointed pen to just trace the design. So let's do it quickly. So this is how it looks like when you complete the design. Now use any round 0 number brush and take the white color and start filling the color. This is a for Jaipuri blue pottery design. The traditional way of doing it is very different, but this is a DIY version of it. Let me tell you that this is looking so vibrant and classy, although we are only using blue and white color. Draw the design carefully with a small 0 number brush and then fill color in it. I am going to fasten this recording a little bit, so let's quickly do it. Don't you think it is looking absolutely gorgeous? You can recreate this design on any surface, be it on wooden, on canvas, or on any kind of surface using the same design. So it is very interesting to make. I will cover the edges to give it a final look. So it's done. Let it dry for at least 2-3 hours. It's time to seal this artwork. I'm using this spray varnish. After the first coat dries up, you can give it a second coat. And look at the shine after 2 coats of varnish. You can hang it on the wall. If you want to see how to hang it on the wall, you can comment down below. For now, I have this cute little easel. This is a plastic easel and it is perfect for me to just decorate it. So now it's done. I hope you love this video, and if you do so, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I shall see you in my another video. Till then, bye.